I'm Chef Noah! So today we are gonna make a banana hill. Chef Denaya is gonna tell us the materials. For your materials, you would need a spoon, a bowl, and a knife. Chef Curtis is gonna tell us our ingredients.
First, you need some ice cream. Then, you'll need some whipped cream. Next, you'll need a banana. Then, you'll need some gum bears, optional. M&Ms, optional. Swedish fish, optional. And cherries, optional. Chocolate syrup if you want.
Harper is gonna tell us our procedure.
Our procedure is first you'll need a bowl. Next, you will need to get your banana and cut it into thin slices.
Put your scraps in the trash
Put the
can.
scraps in the trash can.
Or you can put it in plants.
Next, you'll get 3 scoops of ice cream, and you can use either of these of your 3 scoops.
You can use strawberry, chocolate, or vanilla.
Wow.
Last, you will need to get
Toppings.
M&Ms, gummy bears, and Swedish fish, and whipped cream. So now you're going to get your whipped cream, chocolate syrup.
What are we, the fire department?
Finally, you're going to get your cherries and put it on top of your ice. So when you're done putting your cherry on top, enjoy your ice cream.